Hello everyone, I'm Run Yangfeng from Jilin University in China. Today, I will talk about my work, Mutual Information-Based Temporal Difference Learning for Human Pose Estimation in Video. In this paper, we present a novel multi-frame human pose estimation framework, termed TDMI, which employs temporal differences across frames to model dynamic contexts and engages mutual information objectively to facilitate useful motion information disentanglement. Specifically, we first use a backbone network to extract visual features. Then, we design the multi-stage temporal difference encoder and the representation disentanglement module to extract discriminative motion signals. Finally, both the visual and motion features are aggregated to obtain the final pose estimation results. In this work, we study the problem of human pose estimation in videos, whereby we seek to make use of the contextual information of input sequence to improve the detected human pose in the keyframe. Temporal modeling is crucial for video-based human pose estimation. Most existing methods directly employ optical flow or deformable convolution to predict full spectrum motion fields, which might incur numerous irrelevant cues, such as a nearby person or the background, without further efforts to excavate meaningful motion pairs. Their results are suboptimal, especially in complicated spatial-temporal interactions. On the other hand, the temporal difference has the ability to encode representative motion information, which can potentially be valuable for pose estimation, but has not been fully exploited. To tackle these problems, we present the TDMI framework, which combines both visual and motion features to obtain the final pose estimation. Specifically, given a sequence centered on the keyframe as the input, we first employ a backbone network to extract multi-stage visual features. Then, the multi-stage temporal difference encoder takes these features as the input and outputs the motion representation. In particular, the multi-stage temporal difference encoder is designed with an incremental cascading learning architecture. We first compute the feature difference sequences across multiple stages by leveraging a temporal difference operator. Then, we perform intra-stage feature aggregation using convolutions and inter-stage feature aggregation using a spatial modulation mechanism, followed by a progressive accumulation mechanism to derive the motion representation. Here, the spatial modulation is designed to adaptively focus on important information at each stage, while the progressive accumulation is used to preserve fine-grained contexts across all stages. Subsequently, our representation disentanglement module decouples the initial motion features into a useful motion component and a noisy motion component by activating corresponding feature channels. The useful motion component is used for subsequent tasks, while the noisy motion component serves as a contrastive landmark. By introducing mutual information supervision to reduce the dependency between them, we can grasp discriminative task-relevant motion signals. In particular, our main mutual information objective is to minimize the mutual information between the useful and noisy motion features. We also present two regularization terms to improve the capacity of the multi-stage temporal difference encoder to perceive meaningful information and mitigate the information dropping during the motion visual feature aggregation. We conduct experiments on the post-track 2017 and post-track 2018 datasets and achieve top performance. Likewise for the post-track 21 and the HIVE datasets. Our method is able to achieve state-of-the-art performance across all 4 datasets, demonstrating the effectiveness of our method. Our approach is generally more robust in challenging things, such as mutual occlusion and rapid motion, delivering more accurate pulse estimation than existing methods. Thank you very much for your listening.